Alright, what's up? Social media land. This is the Wicked G here at the Lolo Car Show. Getting ready to set up. I'm waiting for Daniel G. We got the truck piled up with merch. We already have a spot inside the booth, inside the Rosedale Park. So I'm going to be filming all kinds of stuff at the Lolo Car Show. Cars, girls, shows, artists, all kinds of stuff. So stay tuned and check it out.
Grabbing the cerveza. I got the pit all lit, about to smoke some, and the cars won't quit. I got the cellos on ice, weather looking pretty nice, all the ladies looking spice. Light up the cohiba, smelling the fajita, a shot of tequila.
Got my bills all paid, now I'm ready for the weekend. Party hard Sunday, praying to the Virgen. To the river, popping Miller Lights open. They catch a taste of the ribs that I'm smoking. Late at night at the Pearl, I'll be strolling, hanging with a fan, margarita holding. 107 vibe playing on the background. We some malosos, nobody gon' back down. Es el fin de semana, donde celebramos mañana. Es el fin de semana, donde tus problemas se acaban. Es el fin de semana, donde celebramos mañana. Es el fin de semana, donde tus problemas se acaban.
Cruising down Military Drive Sunday afternoon, reminiscing about the days of the old school. 81 Cutlass, smashing the damn ground. 1000-watt sub, then I'm loving that damn sound. Good times I remember like yesterday. Ask me today, I say there's no better way. No IG and no TikTok, just a lot of shade of brown, bumping, cruising the damn block.
It's another good day, let's go out and play. Just jump in your ride and take a cruise for the day. Let's go to Brack and start a queue. Mexicanos, cause that's what we do. It doesn't matter the agenda, just give us any reason, we'll start a fiesta. That's how it is. Down here in Texas, we do it big.
Es el fin de semana,